FEC 101 after the Minamiko. The engines are roaring as they try to pull this train back up to speed. Comes through the crisp, cold air. FEC container right up there. And there's 2 more, 4 more, and 5 more. How about 6? Make it a lot better. There she goes, all the way down to Hialeah. Check her out. Good looking train. Not as long as 202 up there, but it's still pretty good. Freezing out here though. I advise you rail fans to always wear mittens or thick gloves to protect your fingers. If you're living up north or wherever you are, if it's cold outside, wear mittens or gloves to protect your fingers from frostbite. You don't want your fingers to be frozen, and you want them to be cozy. You want them to be warm. Here's a little tip from me, alright? EOT at 6:37, 6:38. The estimate. It's BBT 609 here at County Road 512 East on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to the crew of 202 and 101. Happy holidays.